Hi, my name is John Miller-Crisp. I'm a naturopath. My clinic's called Abundant Life and Health in Penrith, New South Wales. I've been in private practice as a naturopath now for over 20 years. I believe in looking at the whole person. We are not just looking at symptoms, although of course if someone comes with a symptom that needs some attention, we do deal with that. But we're aiming mainly to find causes. Why are you producing that symptom? What's your body trying to tell you? And when we find the cause, then if we eliminate that, then the symptom goes away. A lot of people coming to the clinic are coming because of stress, stressful lifestyles, jobs that quite often they don't like but have to do, financial pressures and things like that. And stress underlies most of what happens to us, most of the illnesses, the degenerative diseases, the immune dysfunctions, digestive issues, anxiety, depression, and things like that. So if we can deal with those issues and help people to cope with them, then we cover most of the problems that occur. I love dealing with children. People ask me constantly, do you deal with babies? Do you deal with children? Yes, we do. So if we can get people when they're young, we can give them a wonderful life, keep them well, and help them to build strong immune systems. Conversely, I like dealing with women. In fact, probably 95% of my patients are women. And naturally, we have the whole gamut of ladies' problems. I have 4 daughters, various ages, and I have 8 granddaughters, so I do know what ladies' problems are all about. I've done a lot of work in fertility. I have done a lot of work in ADD, ADHD, general gastrointestinal issues, irritable bowel, inflammatory bowel disease. We do a lot of work in that. And generally, we're just general practitioners, people who, whatever ails you, we can usually help. I do a lot of diagnostic testing, do live blood screening, do bioimpedance testing, see how your body is dealing with your lifestyle. And now, because of my youthful good looks, we're also getting into anti-aging. We use nutrition advice, lifestyle counseling, herbal medicines quite a lot. And also we use supplementation with vitamins, minerals. A lot of people come to me and they're on, in some cases, 8, 10, 12, in one case 19 different drugs. And they have certain conditions and they don't like the symptoms and they're very debilitating symptoms. They go to the doctor and they get a drug and that gets rid of the symptom. And that would be fine if that's all that happened. But the problem there is that they're not treating the cause of the disease, they're treating just the symptom. So if you've got high blood pressure and you take a blood pressure medication, then your blood pressure drops. But at the same time, it's causing side effects, causing other problems. And that's still not addressing the reason why your blood pressure went up in the first place. And there are herbs and there are nutrients that will help to deal with that issue in a far safer way. I had this young girl who would have been around about 3, was brought to me by her mother. She was covered in rashes, had been since birth, and they brought it to me and we went through all the necessary things to find out what had happened from just before birth through the early childhood, and it became very obvious along the way what needed to be done, and within 1 week she was clear. And this is a child that for about 3 years had been covered in rashes. And the mother was ecstatic. Little baby, I suppose, was ecstatic too. So that was gives you a good feeling inside, makes you feel great.